My name is Barak. I'm the founder and chief executive officer at Sojo Industries. Sojo is a technology company with mobile automation and robotic manufacturing on one side of the business and geolocation integrated, blockchain-based, advanced inventory management, track and trace on the other side of the business.
My name is Josh Schwartz-Dodek. I'm Sojo's Chief Operating Officer, and in that role, I oversee technology, engineering, and operations for the company. In 2023, I was searching for a partner to collaborate with on our mobile robotic palletizing solution. I heard about Vention through contacts in the industry and immediately knew that they could be a potential partner for Sojo. I sat down with the team at Vention and laid out the challenge. How do we combine the Rapid Series collaborative palletizer with the Sojo Flight mobile rover technology to deliver an on-premise mobile manufacturing solution for end-of-line automation? Sojo Flight's operating requirements demand SKU flexibility on behalf of our customers. When we first worked with Vention, we deployed industrial robots in our manufacturing hubs, and we saw that Vention could provide that level of flexibility so that we could program SKUs on the fly. As we've expanded our relationship to cover Sojo Flight and integration with our mobile rovers, we've expanded upon that, adding more SKU capabilities and more format capabilities to our modular automated offering.
My name is Marco Gerbic. I'm the staff electrical and controls engineer at Sojo Industries. I'm responsible for the electrical controls and network architecture on our mobile platforms. When we set up a new production line, we're dealing with different product, different cases, and different palletizer patterns. Machine Apps allows the operator to choose from an existing list of predefined patterns or set up their own in real time. Engineering does not have to get involved. What is great is that we can use Machine Apps for both our cobots and industrial palletizers. Vention came on site to deploy their product start to finish. They came with technicians and engineers. They not only set it up, they helped us integrate it, and they made sure that we got a good result. The collaboration with Vention started at the design phase. We came to them with hard constraints, and they delivered a custom-tailored palletizer for our solution. On their HMI, there's a single push button that connects you with support. You have a camera and headset built in, one touch, and you're immediately talking to a support engineer. And because our rover platform offers its own 5G connection, we can get Vention support anywhere in the country.
When you're building a technology company, especially in the manufacturing, automation, and mobility and robotics space, you're looking for more than just vendors. You're looking for partners. What we found in Vention is a long-term partner. Now let me tell you the difference between a vendor and a partner. A vendor gives you a good price and hopefully good service. A partner does much, much more than that. A partner forward invests in your business. A partner shows up during good times and during times of challenges. That's what we love about Vention.
At Sojo, we focus on process and expertise for all of our in-house engineering capabilities, and we needed a partner who could do the same. Vention brings that to the table. They communicate proactively, and they provide excellence when it comes to engineering disciplines such as mechanical engineering, programming, and delivery of on-premise deployment and solutions.
The main reason we chose to partner with Vention is the software. Machine Apps, remote support, the integration system. It all came together and made it an all-in-one package.
Sojo has deployed 5 robotic solutions with Vention to date. We started with industrial robots, maybe a little more typical for the industry, but we learned how to build a flexible solution in our partnership with Vention. We will continue to work and to partner with Vention to automate more of the value chain from start to end in mobile variety and multi-packing, and we will continue to expand our fleet of mobile capable automation.